Sawadee. My name is Elaine Crebo, and I'm the director of the international program at Aberdeen Hall Preparatory School. We're located in Kelowna, BC, which is the most beautiful part of Canada. I'm a little biased. It's in the Okanagan Valley. It's about 150,000 people, 95% mother tongue English. So it's a great place for students to come to be immersed in an English-speaking community. Having said that, we have a wonderful international flavor with the University of British Columbia Okanagan College right beside us. And so we've got about 20,000 international students from around the world, which means we have diversity culturally, as well as wonderful restaurants. Because, of course, food is the most important part of a lot of people's journey to another country. So first and foremost, Aberdeen Hall is an academic-focused school. We're a university preparatory school, meaning that when students come to us, we provide them not only with the academic foundation, but also leadership, community involvement, arts, drama, so that when a student leaves Aberdeen Hall and goes on to university, they are equipped with the necessary skills to take them on the next path to success. Academically, in our high school, we have 4 pathways to university. So we have a faculty of business, faculty of engineering, faculty of science, and a faculty of arts. So within these faculties are numerous electives that students can choose from, depending on their interests and what they hope to achieve when they go to university. So we have an exceptional arts program, which combines fine arts, digital arts, design studies, musical arts. So all students are welcome to take one of the instruments, violin, cello, or guitar. They can also do a course in commercial music. So music is a very big part of our program, as is physical arts, in that we have a kiln for doing pottery, we have painting, we have photography and design. In fact, our design studio is brand new and it incorporates 3D printers and a variety of equipment for students to experience their creativity. We're super proud of our sports program, and we're really excited to have just opened our brand new athletic and wellness center, which is one of the best gymnasiums in the province. We compete in basketball, volleyball, track and field, rugby, all of the mainstream sports. When we have our competitions, we play against other independent schools in the province. So that could be schools in Kelowna. Sometimes our teams will go to Vancouver, Victoria, or to South Okanagan to play against other teams. So we're really proud of having 100% university and college acceptance rate. So our students have access to a university guidance counselor. One of the counselors meets with each student starting in grade 10 and works with the students to choose classes and a path that will take them to university. Many students prefer to stay in Canada because we have a great education system. However, we have students that go to the UK, to Australia, and to the US. So we are thrilled with our very unique family boarding homestay program. So every student that comes to Aberdeen Hall will be placed with an Aberdeen Hall family, meaning that the host parents are members of the Aberdeen Hall community. They could be families of local students, they could be alumni families, they could be teachers, they could be staff. But what it means is that we have a very small community, we know everybody, and every child is uniquely placed. So we take into consideration their age, whether they're a boy or a girl, how old they are, and this depends on the host family as well. We look at their interests. And so what we want to do is we want to foster an environment where every student is welcome, is safe, and has wonderful opportunities to immerse in not only English, but also local and Kelowna community activities. Passionate, exceptional, and supportive. We look forward to welcoming you to Aberdeen Hall and the beautiful Kelowna community. Kapkuma ka.